Brucham Aboyim, welcome everybody. Let's dive into an incredible story I heard in high school from my Rebbe, Rav Moshe Weinberger from Woodmere, who heard from his own teacher, the legendary Rabbi Joseph B. Soloveitchik. It's about a meeting that'll make you think, between a rabbi and a cardinal. Let's go. Rabbi Joseph B. Soloveitchik, known as the Rav, was a towering figure in 20th century Judaism, a scholar, a philosopher, and leader of modern Orthodoxy, and recognized essentially as the chief rabbi of the modern Orthodox community in Boston, Massachusetts, as well as his position as the Rosh Yeshiva at Yeshiva University in Manhattan. A contemporary of his was Cardinal Richard Cushing. He was the Archbishop of Boston, a giant in the Catholic Church. Fun fact, Cushing officiated both the wedding and funeral of President John F. Kennedy. But he also had a Jewish brother-in-law, which many believe gave him a unique connection to the Jewish community. It's the late 1960s at a banquet in Boston. Cardinal Cushing, nearing the end of his life, turns to Rabbi Soloveitchik. He knows his time is short. In a quiet moment, he asks Rabbi something profound. "Rabbi, please pray for me. I feel my time on earth is drawing to a close." But then Cushing says something that stunned the rabbi. "You know, Rabbi, I look forward to finding out one thing when I get to heaven. Were we Catholics right, or were you Jews right?" Whoa, right? Here's a prince of the church, one step below the Pope, who wrote dozens of books on theology, and he's not sure about his own faith? Years later, Rav Soloveitchik told his students that he lost all respect for Cardinal Cushing at that moment. The Rav said, "Imagine asking a simple Jew 200 years ago in Brisk, Lithuania, to point to the cathedral and say, 'Yankel, do you ever think maybe they're right?' Yankel would spit on the floor, horrified at the question. To a simple Jew, faith was rock solid. Yet here was a cardinal, a global religious leader, expressing doubt." This story's wild, right? It's not just about two men meeting. It's about the power of unshakable belief versus the uncertainty of doubt. What do you think about this? Drop a comment below, and if you love deep historical stories like this, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzio in the Malay.